Welcome to Daily IQ. Today 5th September 2024. In this video, I will teach you top 15 current affairs MCQ with detailed explanation. Question number 1. National Teachers' Day is observed every year on. Answer is 5th September. The 5th of September is celebrated as Teachers' Day all over India. This day is celebrated as the Teachers' Day to mark the birthday of Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan, who was the former president of our country. He was the second president of India from 1962 to 1967 and the first vice president of India from 1952 to 1962. Question number 2. International Day of Charity is observed annually on. Answer is 5th September. The International Day of Charity is observed annually on 5th September. It was declared by the United Nations General Assembly in 2012. 5th September was chosen in order to commemorate the death anniversary of Mother Teresa, who had always been engaged in charitable work. Mother Teresa received the Nobel Peace Prize in 1979 for work undertaken in the struggle to overcome poverty and distress, which also constitute a threat to peace. Question number 3. Who has become India's first woman to cross the North Channel? Answer is Sayani Das. 26-year-old Sayani Das became the first Indian woman to cross the North Channel in a 13-hour 22-minute feat of endurance. Sayani set out to cross the channel on 30th August and achieved this record on 31st August. The North Channel is also known as the Irish or North Irish Channel. The swim spans 34.5 kilometers between Northern Ireland and Scotland, but depending on sea conditions, it can extend up to 45 kilometers. Question number 4. What is the term of 23rd Law Commission of India? Answer is 3 years. The President of India, Draupadi Murmu, has approved the constitution of the 23rd Law Commission of India. The term of the previous 22nd Law Commission ended on 31st August 2024. The 23rd Law Commission's tenure will be 3 years from 1st September 2024 to 31st August 2027. According to the notification of the Government of India, the 23rd Law Commission of India will have 5 full-time members. Question number 5. The 22nd edition of Varuna exercise was organized in which sea? Answer is Mediterranean Sea. The India-France bilateral naval exercise Varuna was organized in the Mediterranean Sea from September 2nd to 4th. The Indian Navy's P-8I aircraft landed at Air Base 125 Esters-les-Tubes in France for its first ever European deployment. This was for the 22nd edition of Exercise Varuna with the French Navy. The India-France naval exercise began in 1993, was named Varuna in 2001. Question number 6. Which state government has approved the Brindavan Gram scheme? Answer is Madhya Pradesh. Madhya Pradesh government on 3rd September approved the Brindavan Gram scheme, under which Gaushalas and other schemes benefiting the villagers will be established. The selected Gram Panchayats will be named Brindavan Gram. Madhya Pradesh has a total of 313 blocks and 1 Gram Panchayat will be selected from each block. Gaushalas or cow sheds will be established and milk production will be promoted. Question number 7. Recently, Narendra Modi became first Indian Prime Minister to visit which country? Answer is Brunei. Prime Minister Narendra Modi arrived in Brunei's capital, Bandar Seri Begawan, on 3 September 2024. Prime Minister Modi was on a two-nation tour of Brunei and Singapore from 3 to 5 September 2024. This is the first visit of any Indian Prime Minister to Brunei after establishing diplomatic ties on 10 May 1984. PM Modi inaugurated the new Chancery premises of the High Commission of India in Brunei. India and Brunei are celebrating 40 years of diplomatic relationship in 2024. Question number 8. What is the duration of the 0 hour of the Himachal Pradesh Legislative Assembly? Answer is 30 minutes. For the first time, the Himachal Pradesh Legislative Assembly introduced 0 hour in its legislative proceedings on 4 September 2024. The 0 hour will commence at 12:30 p.m. after the end of the question hour and will last 30 minutes. 0 hour refers to the time between the end of question hour and the beginning of the House's regular listed business. The practice of 0 hour in parliamentary democracy is an invention of the Indian Parliament. Question number 9. Where was the 2024 World Deaf Shooting Championship held? Answer is Germany. The International Committee of Sports for the Deaf is organizing the 2024 World Deaf Shooting Championship in Hanover in Germany from 29 August to 8 September 2024. The Indian deaf shooter Dhanush Shrikant won 3 gold medals at the 2024 World Deaf Shooting Championship. He set a new world record in the men's 10-meter air rifle event with a score of 632.7. His second gold medal in the 10-meter mixed team event with Mahit Sandhu. His third gold medal came in the 10-meter air rifle men's team event, where he partnered Shaurya Saini and Mohammad Vania. Question number 10. The first Joint Commanders Conference was organized in which city? Answer is Lucknow. The first Joint Commanders Conference has been organized in Lucknow on 4 to 5 September 2024. The theme of the conference is Strong and Secure India, Transforming Armed Forces. The conference is a platform to carry out internal process reforms within the armed forces. Question number 11. Which state government has passed the Aparajita, an anti-rape bill? Answer is West Bengal. The West Bengal Assembly has unanimously passed the Aparajita Bill. This Aparajita Woman and Child Bill 2024 aims to strengthen current laws on rape and sexual offences by introducing stricter rules. The bill was introduced following the tragic rape and murder of a trainee doctor last month at Ajikar Medical Center and Hospital. With this, West Bengal became the first state to amend laws relating to rape, gang rape, and sexual crimes against children. Question number 12. The 3-day Know Your Army Festival in 2024 has been organized in which city? Answer is Lucknow. The Armed Forces Festival, also known as Know Your Army, organized by Surya Command, unfolded on 3 September at Surya Khel Parisar in Lucknow Cantonment. The 3-day event from September 3 to 5 was inaugurated by Uttar Pradesh Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath. More than 8,000 attendees of all age groups saw an exhibition featuring India's latest military equipment such as tanks, helicopters, artillery guns, etc. Question number 13. Jharkhand Gamlin has taken over as the Chief Information Commissioner of which state? Answer is Arunachal Pradesh. Major General Jharkhand Gamlin was sworn in as the State Chief Information Commissioner of Arunachal Pradesh on 2 September. He had replaced Rinchen Dorji, whose tenure ended on 12 August. Gamlin will hold the office for 3 years or till he attains the age of 65 years. Prior to his retirement, Gamlin commanded the 51 sub-area in Guwahati, one of the largest logistics nodes in the country. Question number 14. Which union minister has launched the AgriSure Fund? Answer is Shivraj Singh Chauhan. On 3 September, Union Agriculture and Farmers Welfare Minister Shivraj Singh Chauhan recently launched the AgriSure Fund and the Krishi Nivesh portal in New Delhi. The AgriSure Fund aims to support those startups that works towards the development in agriculture, boosting ideas and plans. The government has invested 7,000 crore rupees so far, targeting high-risk, high-impact activities across the agriculture value chain. Question number 15. Which country will host the 19th Internet Governance Forum in December 2024? Answer is Saudi Arabia. Saudi Arabia will host the 19th Internet Governance Forum from December 15 to 19, 2024 at the King Abdulaziz International Conference Center in Riyadh. The 5-day event is expected to gather over 10,000 participants from 160 countries, including more than 1,000 international speakers. The forum aims to reach consensus among governments, private sector, and non-profit organizations on policies for stronger internet governance worldwide. Thanks for watching full video. You can join in our membership plan for daily, weekly and monthly current affairs PDFs. Please contact me on WhatsApp. My WhatsApp number is 9700200378.